morning and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's review because not only will we be talking about this beautiful tote bag here, but we're also going to be talking about my new favorite pair of shoes. They are from the same brand, they are all recycled materials, and I am thrilled with both of them. So I'm going to start by talking about this bag right here. I will link it in the description box below, but this bag is so cute. It's so cute. It's this beautiful olive color, and I have her all packed up for me and my 3 kids, and I am absolutely thrilled with how she packed up. So I'm going to change my camera angle and show you what's inside. Alright, so here you can see the gorgeous color of this tote bag. She is beautiful, and she is nice and lightweight, but has enough structure that, as you can see, when she's fully packed, she stands up on her own, which I appreciate. The way I have this packed is kind of as like a mommy capsule edition, so everything's packed in pouches because it is a completely unstructured tote, as you can see there. However, I can edit or adjust the pouches as I need depending on my day. My kids are getting older now, which means I don't always need all of my stuff. I don't always have all 3 of them with me. Sometimes I just have the baby. Sometimes I get to go to Target by myself now, which is fantastic. So as my needs change, a bag like this can really come in handy because it's not a diaper bag but can absolutely still work as one. So right here in the side, you do see my water bottle. This is a Brewmate water bottle, and with all the pouches in there, it just kind of sits perfectly off to the side, and I can quickly access it, and it doesn't fall over or anything. Then right next to that, I have this pouch right here, which, as you can see, is full of snacks for my kiddos. Easily one of the most important things I need when I'm out with my children. Then right next to that, this is probably my favorite part about how I have this packed up. This is my Mina Bay fanny, and this is in the color Desert, and can we just acknowledge how pretty that looks with this olive color? And I have this packed up as my purse, so if I get to go out without any of my kids, I can just grab this and throw my phone in, and I have everything I need for myself. So right in here, you can see she's nice and organized as well. Sitting right on top, I just have my sunnies. Then right down in the center here, I have my wallet. Hi, if we've met, my name is Melissa, and I am obsessed with chickens. So when Coach released this chicken print, I just had to have it, and this is packed up as a wallet for me. Then right next to the wallet, I just have a little hand sanitizer spray here. I have a pen, my AirPods are down in this pocket, a couple of lip products, and some wet ones. My keys also fit in there, but I obviously don't have them in there at the moment. Then down in the bag, you have 3 more pouches. This one comes with the bag, and I've just been leaving it open as a spot to throw my phone so that it doesn't sink to the bottom of the bag, and that's been working out great. Then in this medium Lily Jade packing case in the plum color, which, I mean, purple and green just always go well together, I obviously have this packed with my diapering needs. And then my last pouch in there is kind of a catch-all. So in all of my packing videos, you always see all of these products separately, but for the sake of keeping things organized and not losing these little pouches to the bottom of the bag, I've placed them all in a large Lily Jade packing case. So I have my potty needs in a small Bumpkin snack bag, I have my restaurant needs, I have my first aid kit, and my wet ones all together, and I can just leave this open and grab for what I need while it's sitting in this bag. So that works perfectly. Alright, so now for the super exciting part of this video, what I want to talk about are these shoes. They gifted both of these items to me to try, and I have been wearing these for the past few weeks, and I am so impressed. It is hard when you are a mom of 3 to find a supportive shoe that you can slide on quickly and go out the door and not have to worry about the comfort of your feet. And this pair is so cute. They're a nice pointed toe, flat. And as you can see, they have this nice, cushy, supportive insole. They have this beautiful knot detail on the toe here, which I love. And they are a perfect everyday staple for me. I can pair these with leggings and a sweater, or I can wear them with a skirt and shirt. They are just so flexible and convenient, and just literally walk into them and walk out the door. They have been extremely comfortable. And one of the things I also enjoy is they have this ridge, do you see that here, where it's like this extra padding on the back, so they haven't dug into my heels at all while wearing them, which is kind of hard to find when it comes to flats. So this brand is completely sustainable. Everything from the packaging it comes in to the fibers of the shoes are made from recycled water bottles. We all know the impact that sustainability can have on our planet and our life, so brands like this who are making sure to use high quality recycled materials is something that is near and dear to my heart. And then when they deliver on comfort and fashion on top of it, I'm here for it. I'm absolutely here for it. So I 10 out of 10 would recommend these. They are a bit of a spicy price point, but when you consider everything that has to go into making these recycled fibers and things out of water bottles, you know, you're gonna get what you pay for there. So let me show you a clip of my current outfit and how cute they look. And I'm just wearing a black sweater and some leggings. And like I said, these can easily be dressed up and go either way. So I will show you some on the body shots of the shoes and the bag together. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you decide to try them, I hope you love them as much as I do. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this review and try on of the brand Vivaia. And if you are interested in trying any of the things mentioned in this video, I will leave a link in the description box below. And Vivaia was so kind to offer all of you a 10% discount with my code, which is McCallie, so I will have that in the description box as well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. I love chatting with you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!